Here are my latest blooms. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? I wish she would bloom all at the same time because she's got another one coming here. And look at this. And then she's got some coming here. I'll still take it. Her flower is big and beautiful and smells absolutely delicious. And look at this beauty. She is fully open now. And look at her. Is she beautiful? I know I've showcased this beauty before, but she is in full bloom now. And look at her. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous.